Today we are going to learn about the deductions and exemptions available for NRIs. Industry expert Mr. Gopal will explain this to you now.
Non-resident Indians, they may have income in India. So they may have investment income, they may have property income. So they have property here, they would have let it out. So they may have rental income, they may have investment income. So they would have invested in mutual funds, they would have invested in maybe in equity shares. So they may get dividend income taxable in India. They'll get mutual fund, the debentures, so bonds. So on that also there will be maybe debt mutual funds. So various types of investment income, rental income. So maybe they are partners in some business, so they get some business surplus. So if it is profits as a partner, that is not taxable, but any other incidental income, maybe they sell a property and there is a capital gains. So now people will try to save tax for non-residents. These are all one snapshot I just want to give. So these are all the permissible deductions for non-residents with a limit. Of course, ATC limit is a 1.5 lakhs. So NRIs can avail deductions maybe if their children are studying here. So tuition fees in India, not for tuition fees paid abroad. Okay. Similarly, for contributions to the unit-linked insurance plans and any life insurance policy which has been already taken for the non-resident and they continue paying the premium. And being a non-resident, if they take a premium in India, there are other prescriptions are there because you have to produce yourself in person, or maybe your presence have to be proved to the insurance department, and your medical status also have to be checked. And principal repayment, maybe you would have taken a loan in India and you'll be working in Dubai or Canada, United States or Australia. From there, you will be sending money to repayment of this home loans. And that principal is also deductible. And whether the property income, or maybe you let that property income, can you get that property income taxed, but interest, whatever you pay on the housing loan, will it be deductible? Yes. So the principal is also deductible up to maximum 1.5 lakhs, and interest is also deductible because since it is let out, there is no limit actually. So all these are possible. You can donate actually, and you can even take a health insurance policy. So subject to the insurance company's other guidelines, okay, both for life insurance and health insurance. And you can even take an educational loan for your children for study in India, okay, study abroad. So interest earned on an educational loan for study abroad will also be eligible for ATE. So all this you have to consider while computing your income from India and availing deductions under this. And of course, they give a very meager deductions for savings bank interest. So if you have a savings bank interest, then up to 10,000 rupees, up to 10,000 rupees. Maybe if you have a total every month you get 1,000 rupees, 12,000 is your savings bank interest, then 10,000 is deductible. The remainder 2,000 will be taxed at the rate, the slab rate at which you are there.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.